Back in the day, this business was all about horsepower. We're talking tons of iron, moving tons of earth. Today, we're focused on how precise we can move all those tons. Our SmartGrade machines can dig and grade within 1.2 inches. That's less than the height of a golf ball. You know, a lot of people know about John Deere's work in precision agriculture. But what our SmartGrade team is doing is leading the way in precision construction. This team never stops because our customers never stop. Our customers are being asked to do more with less, to get more earth moved with less people to do it, more projects done in less time. SmartGrade is really the key to keeping their businesses going. We don't take it easy on the technology. Wherever our customers are going to be, we're going to make sure we test to it. John Deere isn't just using GPS technology to help feed the world. They're also using GPS technology to help build the world.